Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Godrej Woods, which is located in Thani Sandra, North Bangalore, a project developed by Godrej Properties. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if we do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project. So right now we are standing on the actual land parcel and this is the marketing office of the project. And the land parcel is on the left hand side over here. Now let's start with the project overview. So this project is spread across 7 acres of land parcel consisting of 10 towers. Each tower of 2 basement ground plus 13 and 14 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK Lux and 3 BHK Premium residencies. Additionally, this project will be having 558 units in all. Now let's discuss about the location of the project. So the project is located on Belahalli Main Road in Thani Sandra, North Bangalore. Now let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the Belahalli Main Road and this road will connect you towards Belahalli and the opposite side road will take you towards Satnur. Now about the further connectivity of the project. So you can connect to Reva University in just 1 minute from the land parcel. And even you can connect Amazon office, Satma Horizon in just 10 minutes from the project. Bhartiya City is 10 minutes away. KIADB Aerospace Park is 15 minutes from the location. And now about the amenities parts of the project is providing you with world-class amenities like 1100 full-grown trees. Other amenities like of grand clubhouse, including amenities like of gymnasium, tennis area, co-working space, cafeteria. This is the kids play area, swimming pool and many more amenities. Now about the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project is coming up with luxurious 2 BHK and 3 BHK with different variants, where 2 BHK is starting from 1193 to 1252 square feet. 3 BHK Premium is 1890 square feet. And 3 BHK Lux is 2100 square feet to 2300 square feet super built-up area. And now coming to the booking process, so the project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.